Alright people, welcome back my channel. My channel is Aceh Esperanto Asosio. We are now in Padang district now. His name is Hopi. Now we are on the way home. Can you imagine that? Over there, the Seulawah mountain, the man Seulawah mountain, and then the women Seulawah mountain there. We call that Seulawah Agam and Seulawah inoeng. Now we're gonna go home and then we're gonna promote 5 continents like Florida and North Carolina street there. Beside that, like the mountain there, and then behind that, like the mountain, and then the sea there, where it's very similar with United States. Can you imagine that? Over there look like from United States exactly. No, but because this is the most beautiful thing around the world. So you don't have to go there, bro. Because when you go my country, exactly Aceh, this very familiar, very same like with your country. Can you imagine that over there? Yeah. Now we call Padang Tiji district here.
Padang Tiji,
Padang Tiji here. Yeah, Hopi the best driver, best of the best. Can very the fast, got driver with car here. No, but can you imagine that? Alright.
Baby.
Yeah, this is dark. Dark. Yeah. Alright, people. So don't forget like and subscribe my YouTube channel, because in my YouTube channel I focus for promote Aceh 5 content to invite a lot of tourists, visitors to visit Aceh after this pandemic coronavirus here in Aceh. You know what? But Aceh never hit by coronavirus. But in India, always every single day, people hit by coronavirus. So Aceh never get hit by coronavirus just because we are safe now. So don't forget to visit and go to Aceh, okay?